So I have solved the problem on the whiteboard here. Now I will explain uh, what are the steps involved in solving this problem. This is a definite integral uh, in the range -1 to 5. Those are the limits. However, the integrand of the integral is in a modulus. So to get out of the modulus sign, we have to know uh, we have to look at the expression inside the modulus and figure out in what range that expression is positive and in what range that expression is negative. So let's find what range, in what range this expression is positive. Okay? Let's solve for this inequality here. Uh, Factorizing the left-hand side, you get x times 1 minus 2x is greater than 0. Now let's multiply both sides with -1. When you do so, you get x times 2x minus 1, and the inequality sign is flipped because of multiplying with -1. And the range in which x lies is between 0 and half. Uh, this this comes from this. Right? Now, what we have just found is x minus 2x squared is positive in this range, and it's negative outside this range. Outside that range means x is less than 0 or x is greater than half. Okay? Now we have found those ranges in which the expression in the modulus is either positive or negative. And based on those ranges we have just found, we have to split the definite integral. So the definite integral is between -1 to 5. Let's split the range into these three parts: -1 to 0, 0 to half, and half to 5. Based on what we have found before, x minus 2x squared is negative in this range, positive in this range, half to half, half to, 0 to half range, and it's negative in this range, half to 5. So let's get rid of the modular sign accordingly. Because this is negative, we have to multiply this with -1 to get out of the modulus. So that's 2x squared minus 1. And since this is positive, um, that the modulus value is the same, x minus 2x squared. And since this is negative, to make it positive, for the third term, we have to multiply the expression with -1. And we end up getting 2x squared minus x again for the range -half to 5. Let's solve the integral here. So the integral here is 2x cubed by 3 minus x squared over 2 in the range -1 to 0. X squared by 2 minus 2x cubed over 3 in the range 0 to half. 2x cubed by 3 minus x squared over 2 in the range half to 5. So, sorry, this is plus half. Okay. Now, substituting zeros and substituting the limits in these uh, expressions, we find that 0 minus minus 2 by 3 minus half plus 1 over 8, 1/8 minus 2 24ths here minus 0, and then substituting 5 we get this, and substituting half we get this. You notice that this one is similar to this one but with a negative sign. So um, but we have a negative sign here, so this term gets doubled up here. Okay. Now I have done the calculation here. So this is 706. This is simplifying this subtraction here. We get this, and then for this term, this is 2 over 24. Now adding these two together, or these three terms together, let's take the common denominator 24. Okay, and then we get a value 1730 over 24, which is equal to 73.08. So that is the answer we are looking for. Hope that helps, that clarifies the process and helps in finding the right answer. Thank you.